The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Davis County in Utah, eastern Salt Lake County in Utah, until 7:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, at 6:34 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. National Weather Service. The radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Murray, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Hollande, South Salt Lake, Sugar House, Salt Lake City, University of Utah, and Bountiful. Precautionary/preparedness actions. This storm is capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed.